Welcome to Design with Miyoshi. Apparently I forgot to make the exploded view drawing and even the exploded view for the bottom of the semi.
But first, I want to thank Northwest Technical Products for sponsoring this video. If you are part of an educational institution in Washington, Alaska, Oregon, Idaho, or Montana, contact Northwest Technical Products for all your SolidWorks and other technical needs. Thanks, Andrew, and all the crew at Northwest Technical Products.
So let's get started. You can tell that there's no exploded view by looking over here at the configuration manager. And you can just see, it's nothing, just default. So we want to go ahead and make an exploded view. Click on exploded view. And then we'll just go step by step. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to explode out the dowel. So let's grab a dowel. And I'll grab another dowel and all four of them. And I'll use this Y and I'll just move straight up. And I like to do a specific distance. So I'll just put 2 here. It'll be good. Hit tab, I enter, then I hit tab, and it actually moves that direction. So when I'm done that, I'll go ahead and hit done. And then it goes automatically to my next step. So I'll turn this around a little bit so I can see the wheels. And I'll grab 3 wheels here on the left side. I'll grab the Z and we'll move it out here. Move it so we can see it because we want to put the washers there too. So let's do 4. Hit tab. There we go. Hit done. Then we'll grab the washers. Same thing with the washers. Grab all 3. Move it in the Z and we'll move that 3 maybe. Because we're going to look at it from the other directions. We'll see that and then done. Let's change it to the isometric view. Oops, here we go. Down over here, we'll put isometric. And then we can see the 3 wheels and the 3 washers. Move down here. We'll select the subassembly parts, not just the subassembly. Even though we could do the subassembly, I think. I haven't done that. All right, so I'll use control key and the mouse wheel as a button, and I'll move it up here a little bit. There we go. And my next step, I'll grab the wheels. 1, 2, 3 wheels. Move this out, maybe about 8 inches, maybe 9 inches. Grab the washers. Grab them, move them out, maybe out about 8. See how that looks? Yeah, you can still see them there. Hit done. And then I'll grab the axle. 1, 2, 3 axles, and we'll move those guys out, whatever direction that is. The Y, the Z direction again. And we'll do that. 6. Tab. There we have it. We're all done. Let's get all my components exploded out there. Hit the check. Now, if I needed to fix this, I can just, normally I'm here. If I go to the configuration manager, I can just click on the exploded view, right click, and edit the feature. And then I can add more steps or move steps around or delete steps and that kind of stuff. But I don't need to do that. Do that here. I will save my drawing. And then I'll go and I'll make a new drawing. So I'll make a drawing from part. This is the part I apparently forgot. And again, I'll do ANSI landscape A, hit OK. And again, this one time I'll just drag in this isometric exploded, put that over there. Yeah, it's maybe a little too small, so let's change the sheet size. Oh, you know what? Let's change this. I can make that guy. Oops. Let's change the drawing view. Okay, so I want to change the way I'm looking at this. So I'll click on the view, and we'll make hidden lines this time. There we go. That looks a little better. Like the hidden lines there. And of course, it's got the sheet scale. I think I'm going to make that a little bigger. I'll hit OK. Then change the sheet scale. Just click on format, sheet format 1. I'll right click, go to properties. And let's make it a quarter scale instead. So 1/4. Hit the apply changes. Yeah, that looks a little better. I might even make it a little bigger than that, but we'll see. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit the OK. And then we'll go to tables and build materials. And I want indented because I have sub-assemblies. And I hit OK. And there it brings it in. I'll put that there. I'll right click on the description, delete that column. And then I'll drag this guy over there to the corner. Let it snap to the corner there. And there it is. All beautiful. And this is where I can see if I want to make this view a little bigger. Let's go ahead and try it. Let's go ahead and look at the sheet scale, right click sheet format, properties, and maybe we'll make this 1/3 scale maybe, just to see if that's a little bit better. Oh, well, it's going to have it inside the table or inside the sheet scale, so we'll just go back and we'll change that back. Right click on sheet format, go to properties, and we'll just change it back to 1/4. Looks better anyway. Apply changes, and then we'll move it so it looks in a good space. And then I like to put in the auto balloons. And there it is. We'll just move those around a little bit. I have to move the view a little bit too. Click on auto balloons. Click the check. There we go. And then I'll move it up a little bit. And I'll move that around so it looks more beautiful. So you can read things. Yeah, that looks good. Bring that down there. There we go. Now all I gotta do, hit OK. And then I'll right click on sheet format, edit sheet format, and then I'll zoom in here a little bit. Click on name, put my name in there, all caps. I'll just put Miyoshi. And I'll put the date. The date is date. Oops, just leave the 20 there, it'll be fine. Click on the title. Double click on the title, and this is my semi bottom subassembly. Okay, and then I'll click on my design firm name here. There we go. Wait till the A, double click, and then I'll highlight that whole thing. Change the size, go 14. There we go. Click out here somewhere. Right click on sheet format 1, edit sheet. Zoom out. Control middle mouse. Move that over there a little bit. That looks good. Make sure everything looks beautiful. Hit save. And that's good title. That's a good name for it. We'll just see that. And then we'll do a save as. I'll change this to a PDF. Save. And I'll put semi here. Okay. There we go. Save. There we have it. The exploded view and the exploded view drawing at the bottom of the semi. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Design with Miyoshi.